Good day, I'm Dr. T and welcome to my office. So today I would like to introduce lipids. Lipids are a diverse class of biomolecules that are characterized by being hydrophobic. They don't like water. They're going to be nonpolar, favoring London dispersion forces, and not typically creating hydrogen bonds or having polar bonds within them, which is why, once again, they don't particularly interact well with water. Now, this would seem to be a fairly arbitrary distinction, but keep in mind cells are an aqueous system, so not being a part of the aqueous system is kind of a big deal. And additionally, when you look at the origin of most of the lipids, they do tend to share some fairly common origins. Typically speaking, these are going to be created from acetate groups, specifically those attached to acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA is a carrier molecule, and I'll go more into these carrier molecules in later videos. Now, the lipids generally actually can be broken into two predominant classes. One group is going to be those that are comprised of fatty acids. These are going to be long carbon chains that will then have an acid functional group. And this will be attached to other molecules such as glycerin, etc., as well as there's a few other similar molecules that are not strictly speaking fatty acids, but share many of their properties with that. And I will get into those in a few later videos. Another large and diverse group of lipids are those that are derived from isoprene. Isoprene is a relatively small molecule, and it's got a couple double bonds, which allows it to be readily assembled into interesting shapes, including but not limited to things like ring structures. This is going to be a very diverse group of lipids, and ones that I'll talk about a few cases in later videos. Now, I will point out I am not going to be doing an exhaustive overview of all lipids. I'm going to hit the high points and then kind of keep moving on, because this is a really diverse, really large, and important set of topics. So with that said, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in later videos.